no, 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 no.
Hello class, this is Mr. Mascarinas, your welding teacher from Canabigan National High School. Today, this video will show us the different types of welding position. There are 4 types of welding position: flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead. There are 2 types of welding: the field weld and the groove weld. On these 2 welding, we can use the 4 basic welding position. In flat welding position, the electrode is above the workpiece, or in other words, it is on the top side of your workpiece. The most common term for this kind of welding is flat position. Horizontal position. In this horizontal position, the welding is on the upside of the horizontal surface. And during this position, the molten metals can fall to the lower side of the joint and can hit and rise to the upside. This creates the irregular uniform deposit. However, using waving techniques or pattern can manipulate the distribution of heat on the plates or on the workpiece. Vertical position. In this vertical position, the weld axis is almost vertical. The main problem faced with the vertical weld is the molten metal tend to run down the joint. This can control by angling the welding electrode up to 45 degrees. In doing so, you ensure your good fusion and prevent run fall. And last, the overhead position. This position required more skill due to the fact that the welding is performed from the underside of the joint. For overhead position, the welder should wear cap, coat, cape, and possibly straps. This is necessary to protect the welder from falling molten metal. The angle of the electrode on this joint surface can be the same from the welding position. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.